Hi, I'm Ricardo Bulkins. Quick question. What if I told you your small habits could quietly cost you over $100,000 in just 5 years? Not a new car. Not a luxury vacation. Just normal life, coffee, lunch, delivery, rides, subscriptions, the stuff that feels too small to matter. Here's the issue. Most people don't lose control of money because of one giant mistake. It's usually 1,000. It's only moments. It's only $5. It's only 40. It's only a couple times a week. Then you check your balance and it feels like your money is leaking, but you can't find the hole. So let's do a reality check. In building a habit bill, a list of common spending patterns, and we're calculating what they cost over 5 years. Then I'll show you how to keep your lifestyle without bleeding cash. Start with the classic. Daily coffee. Say it's $5 a day. That's $150 a month. Over 5 years, that's about $9,000. I'm not here to cancel your coffee. I'm here to show you the math, because when you see $9,000, you stop calling it just $5. Next is lunch out 3 times a week. In real life, lunch can easily hit $40 once you add a drink or a side. 3 lunches a week at $40 comes out to about $520 a month. Over 5 years, that's about $31,200. Lunch feels harmless because it's spaced out, but totals don't care about feelings. Food delivery is a big one. Let's say you order twice a week, and each order lands around $60 after fees and tip. That's about $520 a month. Again, over 5 years, that's another $31,200. Over 30 grand for convenience. Convenience is fine until it becomes the reason you can save. Subscriptions sneak in quietly. If your streaming stack costs around $58 a month, over 5 years that's $3,480. Not terrifying by itself, but it's still part of the leak. Taxi is the silent heavyweight. 6 rides a week at $22 each is about $572 a month. Over 5 years, that's roughly $34,320. It feels like just getting around, but the total looks a lot like a second rent payment. Impulse snacks add up too. $3 a day, 20 workdays a month, is $60 a month. Over 5 years, that's $3,600. And the upgrade cycle. A phone, that's about $1,000 every 2 years. Over 5 years, that's about $2,500. Add those up and you get roughly $115,300 in 5 years. That is not a small habits number. That's a lifestyle leak big enough to change your future. Here's the part that really hits. What if you invested the same monthly money instead of spending it? Even a basic long-term return, say 7% per year, turns that cash flow into about $137,578 in 5 years. Same money, different direction. I'm not saying you have to cut everything. The goal isn't to live like a minimalist monk. The goal is to keep what you actually enjoy and remove what doesn't improve your life. So use a simple plan. Reduce only 2 categories, not 7. Keep coffee, but make it 3 days a week instead of 7. Keep delivery, but cap it to once a week. Bring lunch from home most days and make lunch out a planned reward, not a default. Rotate subscriptions instead of stacking them. And for rideshare, set a weekly limit, hit the limit, switch to walking, transit, or carpool. Quick recap. Small habits aren't small when you multiply them by years. 5 years can turn normal spending into 6 figures without you noticing. You don't need perfect discipline, you need a few rules that work even when you're tired. That's it for today. If this helped you see your spending differently, subscribe for more simple money lessons from real life. I'm Ricardo Bulkins. See you in the next video and comment this. Which one hits you hardest, lunch out, delivery, or rideshare?